Yes, it is. Hello, England.
I got a panda.
Yes, you
Whoa!
do. Why is the panda in your
feel
shirt?
bad for you, panda.
Poor panda.
Why is the
Put in
That's like panda rape.
panda rape?
Why are you raping a panda?
We'll have a shirt on.
Yeah, it's like that. Why are you raping a panda?
Why are you raping the panda?
I'm not.
You're raping the panda. You're raping a panda.
Why are you raping the panda in front of us?
Panda rape.
I just put it in my shirt, okay? It's not even in my shirt. It's just in the China shirt. See?
Panda rape.
Why are you
It's panda
raping
rape.
a panda?
My we wow.
Ni hao.
My we wa.
You're speaking Chinese.
No, I'm not. I'm just speaking gibberish.
Why are you raping the panda?
It depends on what kind of Chinese. It could be Mandarin, it could be Cantonese. I'm supposed to be learning Cantonese.
Cantonese is the language Hong Kong speaks, right?
Cantonese is also a language that Macau speaks.
It's very fantastic.
Did we have everything? Stop raping the
I
panda.
think so. I don't. Where's Canada? Canada's right there.
Are you blind?
Look where I am. She's in front of me. China is in front of me.
She said China.
Look at the panda. There's a person underneath the panda.
Canada just swore at
Oh
you.
my god, the panda's flying! Right here!
The panda is on top of a person.
You dumb
But nobody can see Canada in the show.
No. Now
So-
just there, so do that. Who are you?
Who are you? I'm Canada.
Oh my gosh, you have to do it. China's just kind of creeping in the background.
Casey, do it.
Oh, it's this card is full. What is this? This is interesting.
Want me to do Kim Majira's voice as well?
Hi,
Someone's been videotaping.
Okay, you want me to do Kim Majira's voice?
Yes. Do it again. Do it again. Catherine wants to get it on video.
I want to do the thing where you like.
Here, I'll videotape you, and then you're gonna be
No,
like.
do it in English.
Oh wait. Who are you?
I don't know how. Here, I'll do the little voice.
No.
I'm gonna come even closer.
Here, I'll videotape you guys, and then you're gonna be like, "Who are you? Why is that panda playing?"
No, we're not reenacting it.
Wait, what are we doing?
Who are you? I put the panda on her head and like, and I've got the where the panda is.
No!
So I'm trying to rape
No!
you. Why are you trying to rape me?
No!
Oh, thank
I
you.
wanted to write it back.
Hi, Dougie.
No!
Okay.
I think it's time to go.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm Canada.
Yes, we know you're Canada. I'm America. I'm America. You're Canada. Don't forget who you are, Canada.
I'm Canada.
You're Canada.
Canada.
But you're Canada.
I am Canada.
But you're Canada. What?
I mean, I'm not your owner. I mean, I'm your brother.